flashlight. Okay, so I do over here. Alright, I'm going to unbox a flashlight, as you can see. And it already has a battery in. So you could just read all these details, or yeah, pause if you want to read all these details, or most people won't read the details, yeah. And the back, obviously, yeah, not important. Anyways, let's unbox this. Here is the red flashlight. As you can see, I had to take it apart, or take it apart for some reason, or because it has a battery, or I just have to unscrew it for some, I need to unscrew it some over here, oh yeah, there it is. Okay, there should be a disabler and a battery in there. Oh, there we go. You can see the batteries for this flashlight. I might recommend trying this. That is a disabler, just a piece of plastic. Anyways, oh, looks like I got it to work. So I'm going to screw it in, and hold on. Bam! You got your flashlight. This is a good flashlight. This is a $1 deal. Yeah. Thanks for watching for my unboxing of a flashlight that you never knew. Coming up soon, there'll be another unexpected unboxing. See ya.